Otakus with style, here we have DRAKEN.
On this video I will reproduce his haircut, his style when the hair is down, and his hair on the braid. Let's go!
DRAKEN, roll that tape!
To do this style I needed a very long hair, so I went to Amazon and bought this mannequin. Everything great, everything fine, until I got the mannequin at home and the hair was not real. What? No real human hair, just synthetic. Okay, well this is going to be an adventure. But I don't back down, so I shave his head like a boss. It feels so good to do this, you gotta try it. To shave this hair, I would use the number 50 metallic comb with my detachable Octane Oyster clippers. To achieve the bald shave, I would use the electrical shaver. But if it was one of my regular clients, I would use a shaving blade with the 1821 Glide. Observe the length of the hairstyle. You can do it shorter, but it will affect the length of the braid. Using the point cutting technique, I will cut a straight line on the perimeter. Point cutting will give me a more natural finish on the ends. Continue following the same straight line around the shoulders to the front.
Would you like to see more looks from the Tokyo Revengers? Leave me a name on the description.
Follow me on Instagram if you want more VIP information on what looks I have done and which ones I plan to do next. I need you there. To create the front frame section, I would separate the desired bangs area with a mid triangle, not too deep. Cut a diagonal back about 3 fingers below the chin area on both sides. This will help to push the hair from one side to the other and still have the same look on both sides. I really don't suggest to do any layers on this style. You will lose a lot of density in the perimeter if you do it. To add some more texture, volume and definition, I would use wax from 1821. To achieve extra volume, dry the hair with the blow dryer. On this case, because the hair is synthetic, I will let it dry naturally. Heat will destroy this hair. At the end of this video, I will announce which look I'll be doing next on the channel. Don't miss it. And now, let's get that dragon tattoo done!
Thank you for all you for your support to the channel.
Check the separation the wax has created on the hair. Very cool. Looks like a chunky pieces. To push the front area to the side and give it more volume, use hairspray from 1821. This hairspray will allow you to create more flexible texture through the hairstyle. Now, if your plan is to go for a ride on your bike with your friends, this hair down won't work for you. The same for DRAKEN, so let's make that braid. First, release a frame piece from the front. On his case, on the right side, but you can do it on both sides. Comb all the hair back into a ponytail just below the horseshoe shaped segment on the base. Brush all the hair well prior to do the braid, so it doesn't get tangled up. Use 2 fingers like this to separate the 3 strands for the braid. Alternate crossing to the center each strand from the sides, one at a time. Open up the strands of the braid so they look even, and hold the ends using a rubber band for hair. This doesn't need explanation if you're watching the show. To give a more natural finish to these ends, I will texturize the front frame, projecting it up to get a blended finish into a point. Wow, this was hard with this synthetic hair. I feel like I wanna burn the whole head so you guys can see what happened. Casualty, I have some matches right here. Let's see what happened to this hair when you apply heat. Like I mentioned at the beginning, this is plastic hair, no real human hair. Don't miss my next video, Baji from Tokyo Revengers, and I will do this on a real client.
This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.